Okay, so here's example 2, and once again, we're just solving the equation. First things first, we're going to set it equal to 0. So I'm just going to rewrite it right here. Okay, so we want to set it equal to 0, and I'll just go ahead and move everything over to that side. So I'll subtract x, and I'm going to add 1/4. Okay, so we can do this. So it's x squared minus x, and then plus 1/4 is equal to 0, because this side will cancel out to be 0. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we have our a, b, and c, because it's ax squared plus bx plus c, so a is going to equal 1, b is equal to -1, and c is equal to 1/4. Alright, and you know that a is 1 because the coefficient of x squared is going to be 1. So plugging that into our quadratic formula, we have x equals -b, so it's going to be the opposite, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Alright, so now simplifying, so we get x is equal to 1 plus or minus, we get square root of 1 minus, and then this becomes 4 times 1/4 is 1, so 1 minus 1 all over 2. Alright, now that means that the radical is going to go away, so we can get x equals 1 plus or minus 0, so over 2. So that's the same thing as just saying 1 over 2. Alright, so notice that in this equation we have one solution. Alright, and what that looks like, it doesn't look like our normal one where we have two solutions. It is only going to be one, so this is going to be, if we have, this is our, you can't even see that. This is our y, and this is our x over here. Where it's going to cross the x-axis is going to be at 1/2. Okay, so at 0, right at 1/2 0, that's the point 1/2 0. Alright, and since this is a parabola that is increasing, it's the coefficient of x squared is positive, it's going to be going up like this. So we can kind of look at that and see that our equation, or this function, has only one solution. It's when you have a graph that it just touches the x-axis there. So that is an example of a quadratic that only has one solution, not two of them.